Alrighty, what we've done, I've had a friend hold my nose cone in place for me, and I've lined it up so that basically I've brought it up within 1/8 of an inch of my down tubes. There is space. I'm going to be putting a little U-channel along this edge after I paint it for final installation, so there's a damper between the airframe and the nose cone. Then I went ahead and I drilled 5 holes evenly spaced down the side and Clecoed into this plate that's riveted to the airframe. Now you have to remember, this is a flexible plate, and I'm going to be putting nut plates in here, and I'll be using stainless steel hardware screws to screw the nose cone on. That way I can take it on and off for maintenance. And you want to remember that this plate is flexible. As you tighten this down, it does in fact pull this cone in a little bit, but more importantly it pulls this plate out a little bit, okay? And so I've got my 5 evenly spaced holes. I just put some green painter's tape along here and then marked a line through the center of the tape down here, which gave me the center line for where I'm going to be putting my nut plates. Now the way it worked out for me is this particular Cleco right here where the nut plate will be going is very close to the longeron. So I will be putting a piece of rubber and gluing it onto the longeron to the back side of that nut plate so I don't have vibration between here and the longeron, and it will protect both the airframe as well as the nut plate. But right now it's secured. The next step I will do is go underneath here and mark that and drill it, evenly space it just like I did up here, and put my nut plates on down here, and that will allow me to take my nose cone off for maintenance. The same way with the windscreen, when it comes on, the windscreen will come around and I will be putting aluminum strips in behind. I'll probably just glue in some aluminum strips behind and underneath here on the nose cone so I can put nut plates on there. That way I can secure the windscreen with nut plates, and if I have to replace it or take it off, I can take it on or off anytime that I want. And that pretty much covers it for installing the nose cone. It does pull in real nice. The fabric will come up around the side of the airplane and tuck in behind the forward section of this plate. And this piece right here, which is kind of sharp, I will be padding that. I'm going to build this area up with a little bit of felt to pad it, and then it'll just transition in nice and smoothly. And that's it.